eat. So in Ghana, where I'm from, there's that joke that chop time, no friend. I'm about to eat, so bye bye. No, not here. Here, chop time. Yes, friend. Come, you are invited. Come, let's dine, okay? Hey, welcome to the channel. Today we're making something to eat. I'm making a very simple Italian sausage stew. And so join me to make it. My ingredients, that's my Italian sausage there. Some onions, some bell peppers, some tomato, bay leaf, as always. I've blended some spices in here, my spice blend. You can use whatever spice blend you like. There's ginger in there, pepper, and I've got some cauliflower, some coriander, how do you call it, cilantro, and then some eggs. I've got my Himalayan salt and coconut oil. Okay, these are mostly the ingredients that I'm going to use. So we're going to go to the fire and to the stove and get started. It's going to be a really quick one, easy to make, and it's going to go with rice. We're going to have it with rice. Okay, right. So I have my Italian sausage cooking. Okay, it's the spicy one. So it's nice, smelling amazing here right now. While it's cooking, I'll add my onions, my spice blend. Alrighty, rinse it out. You don't waste anything. Nothing. Okay. And I'm going to let this cook for a little bit. So remember, the sausage already has a little bit of salt in there. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt in here, and I'll leave it to cook. Okay. And we'll be back as it cooks. Okay. Yeah, as it's boiling like wonderful right now, I'll add my tomatoes and bay leaf in there. So that blended stuff that I had has all my spices. I have got basil in there, garlic, ginger, pepper, all went in there already. Okay, so now my tomatoes are in. We'll cook it and taste as usual. Yum. Oh, and spicy, man, it's spicy. So I'll add a little bit of umami taste, which is my nutritional yeast, because I don't use the Maggi cubes and all that, right? So that much to it, it gives it a beautiful, beautiful flavor. We'll let the tomatoes and everything marry beautifully together, and we'll be back. Okay, so on the other side I have water boiling with salt and some turmeric. Okay, I'm just going to cook my cauliflower in there halfway. Okay, I'm not cooking it fully, but I'm cooking. Oh, so that's the cauliflower and salt. Okay, and I'm going to cook it for a little bit. I won't let it overcook because I like it crunchy. Okay, we'll let it boil over and then drain it. And our stew seems like it's ready. Added my onions, tomatoes, and my blended stuff. I had garlic, ginger, and any spices that you want. Basil, peppers. I blended it and put it in there. Now I just added my sweet peppers, okay, bell peppers. I didn't have a green one, so I usually like to have colors in my food, but I did not have a green one. So yeah, let this guy boil and it'll be ready. Oh, while we are at it, I'm going to add these eggs, and once everything is I want to add a little bit of water to this stew here. Okay. It smells amazing in my kitchen. I am so sorry you're not here to smell this, but ooh. So the meat is fully cooked. Everything, tomatoes are done, but the peppers, of course, I don't want it to be overcooked, so I just added it. And I'll be adding my cilantro after I turn this fire off. Okay, now let this cauliflower boil over once, and it will be ready to drain. Okay, so cauliflower is boiling right there, so I'm going to now take it off from fire. And while that's draining, I will take care of the stew as well. Okay, perfect. Stew is ready, so here in goes my cilantro. Fire is off, and the smell of cilantro in food is like, you can eat it fresh. It smells amazing. You can put it in your salsas. It's so yummy, and you do your research on adding spices and herbs and all that to your food. It's amazing. It comes with a ton of benefits. Okay, so this food is ready. I'm just going to let it rest for a little bit, and then I'll plate it. Okay, so fellows, here is the final plate. And so I want you to let me know, are you a spoon person or a fork person when you're eating rice? I am usually a spoon person, but today, because I'm doing this, I'll just use a fork, because then I can pick up my vegetables and stuff. But here is the final Italian sausage stew. Okay, it's smelling amazing, and I love colors, so as you can see, there's the color. And so now, hello, so we are about to eat. So in Ghana, where I'm from, there's that joke that chop time, no friend. I'm about to eat, so bye-bye. No, not here. Here, chop time. Yes, friend, come, you are invited. Come, let's dine, okay? This thing is spicy, tasty. Remember, I added that nutritional yeast to it. It's nice. It gives it that nice umami taste. This is good. You're invited, okay? Here. Oh. It's not overcooked. So friends, thank you for joining me. It's not much to do, you know, very easy to make. So take care. God bless you. Bye-bye.